Hey guys, it's Gaming Rex. Today I'm going to show you how to make stop motion animation with an app on the App Store or a Google Play Store. It's called Stop Motion Studio, and we're going to be using the free version, not the paid version, because you have to pay. So we'll use the free version, and if you want to use the paid version, you feel free to. So what is stop motion? It's a bunch of pictures of an object that makes it look like it's moving. So we're gonna make this car, Lightning McQueen, we're gonna make it move. Cause if you move it, if I move it right now, it looks like I'm actually moving it. It looks like I'm moving it with me. But we're gonna make it so it moves by itself. So once you download the stop motion app, open up a new project and start. So we need to take a lot of pictures, but don't worry, this won't save to your gallery or photos. It'll just save to the app, and then you can save the whole video to the gallery. So let's get started. So let's get started with the stop motion. So let's take one picture of it without the car. Just do this. Let's take let's take 4. Then we'll slowly move the car here, then here. You want to make sure the lighting is the same lighting. So if you have to stop or anything, if you have to stop or anything and then you come back, it's going to be the lighting will be worse. So you have to make sure the lighting is the same lighting and that you don't move the camera. Because if you move the camera, it's going to have a little bit of shakiness. But if you want to move the camera, that's okay. Let's get started, fix this, add more, and add more. Let me go on the other side real quick. Okay, go a bit more, add more. And then once you're done, you can export to your photos and maybe, so I'm done with the thing. So when I do this, I took 18 photos, and look at that. So if we watch it, yeah, I'll show you guys how it is. So that's what it looks like. It actually looks really cool. So if you want to edit it, add music a bit, you can't do that unless you have the pro version, but I have a solution. So once you're done, just save this to your photos gallery or the photo app in iPhone. And then you can either use Google Drive and put this, and then you can access this on a computer. But since I have a Mac, I can just airdrop this video and it'll be fine. So I'll show you guys the video right now. Then again, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of these tutorials and stuff. And I'll be making more stop motion videos and stuff like that. So if you guys want me to make another one on how to make a better version, with the pro version or something, just ask me. And we're so close to 100 subscribers, so please subscribe so you don't miss all this. And bye.